In the mail, just arrived and unloaded is the new Mr. Volcano Hero dual burner kit. I want to say I paid right around $130 for this, and that is an incredible value. When I built my old forge, I spent $40 or $50 just on the cable, another $20 on the rigidizer, another $25 $30 for the regulator. I probably spent close to $50 building out my propane burner, and I don't even have Sat Night in mine. And I probably spent another $60 on just the fire brick. So you can see it starts adding up really fast, which is why this is such an incredible value for what you're getting. Let's get to setting this up. The first step is to install your ceramic wool. I'm gonna have to mask up for this, so I'm gonna go into hyperdrive and we'll put narrations at the bottom so you can follow along. My 2 days turned into 5 days and we're still not dry. Top, hard as a rock, sides feeling good. We're still wet. I can feel it here. So I'm going to hook up the propane and we'll do a couple heat cycles on this.